You've been assigned the task of finding forums. On behalf of your employer, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to complete this task. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. Now look to the right of the page to see which keywords we're going to be using for these searches. To find forums, we're going to be using several different search queries. You can find them below. Simply copy and paste the search query into the box and replace the keyword with the keyword you're supposed to be looking for. Here's what the search queries look like. Simply copy and paste the first search query down below, and then paste it into google.com. We're just going to replace keyword with the keyword we're supposed to be searching for. In this example, we're going to use tomato garden. Now go through the search results to find as many forums as you can for this niche. Here we have growing tomatoes forum. We want to make sure that you can register for this forum. So copy this URL and add it to a text file. We're going to go back to the search results and we're going to find as many more forums as we can that are listed in the top search results. Once we've done this, we're going to go back to our search queries and pick another one in the list. We will repeat this process until we found all of the top ranking forums in this market. The next step of the process is for us to register accounts on all the forums that we found. Go to each forum URL and find the register link. Now to do this, we need to use a persona. For this example, I'm going to use the Kimberly persona. So for username, I'm going to use the same username that's used for the email address. I'm going to use the same password. Now we have a CAPTCHA. Click Create Account. We've now successfully created an account for this tomato garden forum. We now need to go through the list and continue creating accounts for all the forums. Once we've created accounts, we want to log in and edit the profile. We need to check our email to get the activation key. Activate the account. Now we now go to the profile link and see what information that we can edit. Now in the signature box, we want to put in our anchor text. Note the backlinks page to see which signatures you'll be using. We now want to save this URL to a text file. We will be using this when we submit our report. As you will see on the profile page, we now have two backlinks, one under the website and one under the signature. The main thing that you want to be adding is in the signature file. If you do see the option to add a website, go ahead and add the website like I showed you in this demonstration. Once you've completed the task of registering on all the forums and then editing the profiles, it's time to submit a report. For the report title, put found X number of forums in this keyword niche. Then in the description, put I found X number of forums in this niche and I created and verified accounts on each. Here are the list of all forums found for that particular keyword. Now list the homepage URLs for those forums, one per line. Also, list a link to all the profile pages, one per line as well. Once you've submitted this report, you've now completed this assignment and can move on to the next task.